Hello, and welcome to this short lecture on zero waste shops. A quiet revolution is taking place around the world, and it is being driven by consumers' growing attention to sustainability issues. Concerned by the quantity of plastic in the oceans, pollution in the water, air and soil, and toxins from landfills, individuals are driving the change towards a zero waste lifestyle. To cater for this increase in demand, zero waste shops are opening all over the world, and at such a rapid pace that it is difficult to say exactly how many there are. What is clear, though, is that they all share a common purpose, which is to provide a place for consumers to shop, knowing that their impact on the environment is minimal. This is achieved by the consumers taking their own reusable containers to purchase items such as whole foods, natural beauty, and cleaning products. There are many benefits to zero waste shops, the main one being their potential to reduce waste at supplier, retail, and consumer end. Unlike the single-use packaging from supermarkets which ends up in landfill, zero waste shops sell products with no or minimal packaging, and any packaging that is used is recyclable. As mentioned previously, consumers bring their own containers for their purchases, so this means that less food is wasted as shoppers can weigh out the exact quantity that they need. Naturally, if the consumer uses an item daily, then they have the option to purchase in bulk, which saves money as well as car journeys. The other point I wanted to make, and not connected to waste, is about health. Once packaging is removed from a person's life, then processed food is also removed. This type of food contains a considerable amount of sugar, which leads to weight gain and the associated health problems such as obesity and diabetes. Despite these benefits, zero waste shops are not without criticisms. This whole movement attempts to combat consumerism. However, zero waste shops are, in fact, promoting the necessity of products to become zero waste, so advertising has become about consuming more and not less. The other argument is that these shops are unequal in accessibility. These shops are more accessible to the wealthy, who can afford to invest in zero-waste products, unlike those from poorer backgrounds, who have less disposable income, so cannot afford to buy, for example, expensive zero-waste makeup. So what does the future hold for zero-waste shops? Will they become mainstream, or will they continue to be shrouded in privilege? Well, I believe zero waste is the future. It has to be if we are to save our planet, and in order to be zero waste, then we need access to suppliers. This might be supermarkets which have made the change, or it could continue to be the small independent shops that we are currently seeing. What we need, though, is a cultural change, where we understand that zero waste is not about what we can afford to buy, but what we choose not to buy. Thank you.